All right, let's see if we can get a trade today. Yesterday was pretty shit. We ended up not getting a trade. As you can see, price barely retraced. These type of conditions, it's gonna do shallow retracements and then do whatever the fuck it needs to do. But it's just not very comfortable for me taking those type of trades. But we're longs bullish unless we just dump lower. Then we can look for continuation. Other than that, this is bullish as hell. Like, I don't know why anyone would want to short this. Currently have an S&T with previous day's high here, but I don't think it should be a problem. I have a lot of lows here. Like I said, I can't really trust that. We're just too bullish, man. This low day. See, we moved 0.5% so far for the day, so we should be able to get some decent moves here. Hopefully, we can get something. Oh, market open actually here. Nice. Maybe ES wants to take out their London. Yeah, they're probably gonna take out their London. We're gonna SMT to London and then hopefully get up here. Because honestly, for NQ, there's just too much going on here to even try to short this. So yeah, like I said, I need to see it run lower, like close to the target, and then we can look for shorts. I don't know what the fuck this is though. Moving pretty shit so far. I'm not expecting it to be this shit all day because we just been pretty ass pre-market, and we haven't really moved much, overnight. So we should have something here, but we'll see. Make sure I'm actually online. I'm actually okay. I'm live. Good. This 4 hour doesn't close nice. Like if it just closes like this, then we might be chopping around for a bit. This might be one of those days where it just expands at 11 o'clock. But still have like 28 minutes until then, so we'll see. 28 minutes, plenty of time for fucking NQ. Yeah, this account should have been passed already, man. I'll say a lot. These days really wasn't supposed to be a loss. These two. This one should have been a winner. It's supposed to be $1,000 win, and then this one was like I think I was targeting 700 for this one. So yeah, that would have been passed. But what it is, man. It is what it is. Some people probably shorting this year, which I understand why they would, but ES too close to London. They can easily SMT that shit. Now, if we have NQ close to London, that would be a different story. Like if we have both of them close to it, that would be a solid short. Actually, I can't even short this. This is my model here. I can't do it yet. I'm yawning today, man. You have a very minor SMT here. Trying to see how they react to these, because if they react to the most minor SMT, then it's a telltale sign. It's gonna be a shitty fucking session. So far, not so much. If anybody's shorting ES, I mean trading ES right now, those London lows should be a really good target. Hey, this is how I would look at it here. Maybe something like this. Even then, this is kind of risky. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, no, that wick is just so ass. I don't like that shit. Now they got SMT with this low here. That really shouldn't matter, but we'll see. I ain't gonna lie. I don't think I'll be comfortable longing this if ES don't take this out. Because we're just so close to it. I would prefer them to take that out before I could long this. Oh, that short that I outlined is working out pretty well. Yeah, they're definitely taking that low right there. Okay, we're really fucking dropping here. I have to switch bias, but not just yet. ES gonna hit that first. See what they do here. Really far away from this. S&T previous day high. We do have this here. I really was expecting them to take this out in last night. That could be the play today, man, this session. And then they can just run this back up next week. Or even the afternoon. I can definitely see that. Wow. I'm already eyeing my entry here. First TP would be here. Or up here. But this would be not bad. I'll run it up to 40. 12. Have to wait for this 15 to close first. See, now we get SMT with London, right? And just this whole area here is just so high resistance. There's so much going on there. It's not bad. Okay. Alright, we're inside of 5 minutes here. Not just yet. Give me a swing. And then that. And that's gonna be our trade. Styles below here would actually make more sense. Yeah, perfect. That's actually perfect. 40 points. Or we can just continue to lower from here. That could also be. That could also happen. Need to wait for this 15 to close. Fuck, I'm gonna have to give this a go.
Order filled.
I have to give it a go. Might be a little too early. This might fuck me, but yeah, it might be a little too early. I'm not gonna lie. If I am, it's completely on me, but this is a valid trade in my book. As long as we get a closure up there, then this trade is solidified. If it loses, it loses. Okay, that's what I would like to see. Trail gonna stop right there. $9.30 would be the first target. So yeah, at this point, this is the trade. If it loses, you know, it is what it is. If it wins, even better. Got a slightly good, better entry than we, you know, anticipated. 528, 530. No, I'm gonna hold it all the way through. If we take this out, we go break even. Oh yeah, this looks really good. If this loses, we either go for these lows here or we're just gonna chop around until like maybe 11, 12 o'clock. So I don't see why we wouldn't just come up here at this point. This is really solid. This is an A plus setup for me personally. Hopefully we just smooth sailing from here, man. I can't go break even yet. Actually, I'm gonna trail right here. Perfect. Perfect. Right below. You know what? I'm trailing right here. No risking two. Not 195. This SMT with a 930 high shouldn't matter, so we're gonna hold it through. This is 930 high here. We're gonna mark it up on both sides. 930 right there. Yeah, it's not gonna SMT. They're both gonna take it out. And we're gonna hold it through here. So this is the original trade here. My risk is, it's kind of risking less than I'm supposed to be honest, but it's cool. Divided by 30. See, I'm supposed to be in 8 contracts. It's whatever. We're gonna break even here. Okay, this is pretty fucking good.
Order filled.
Here, honestly. Oh fuck! I just wanted $500, bro. Because that means it's just gonna be a 1-to-1 trade for the next trade. But this should play out. This was a beautiful fucking trade, man. I mapped that out perfectly. Like I said, London SMT to run it up. And that's exactly what the fuck happened right here. To be fair, for this particular setup, this was the target here. Like, if we take this out, right, and price reverses, I would not be surprised if it does it. But, you could target this and even this. But honestly, I'm cool with this. I was really hoping for 500. I mean, it's only $7 off, but still. See what I mean? This is what I mean right here. Like, this was the target. This is probably just a retracement, but oh yeah, what I made the right choice. Now I'm getting, I'm running the risk of getting hit break even. I made the right fucking choice, man. I don't want to reveal too much, but this is my reversal fucking setup here, my reversal model. And for the reversal model, this is your target. Now, like I said, you can hold it if you want, but once it takes out the target, if it reverses from there, don't be fucking surprised. And that's exactly what it's doing. I still think it's gonna run higher, but for a re-entry here, this is where I would get in. Closure here. A lot of people would look. I mean, this it's kind of aligns, but a lot of people would look at this fair value here. I don't do that shit. I look at the fair value that was inverted, pretty much a BPR. The BPR gets invalidated. That's your trade. Watch this shit.
Order filled.
We're gonna target this here up here. Look at that. If you didn't trail, what I'm saying? There's people out there that they don't trail break even, right? The trade is still valid. It's still running. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna run this shit. Actually, I'm gonna move my stuff here. Actually, I should probably just keep trading this account, bro, until I pass it, so I have something fresh on Monday. This would have been the perfect trade to do it, but I don't know, man. Whenever I win for the day, I really don't feel like getting in another trade, man. Because for me, it's like, I already won, right? And if I lose that fucking profit, I'm gonna feel really fucking stupid. That's that's like that's like that's like how it be, man. Like it's like I don't want to feel stupid, bro. Meaning, like I don't want to take unnecessary trades and end up fucking up, you know? Cause like, bro, you're already up for the day, right? Could have just walked away and be happy. Instead, you took another trade and you lost the fucking profit. Even worse, oh fuck. Put this back here. Even worse, you lost some profit. I mean, yeah, like you lost for the day instead of going break even, you know? I'll move back to the stop right here if we get a closure above this wick here. Honestly, the safest stop is still down here. No, yeah, we don't do that because this is a pretty high RR trade. It's pretty much a 1-to-1 here. Like I said, I still think we're gonna run those highs. Just gotta let price do its thing first, man. See what I mean? Like if I took that trade right there, I would have lost my profit, bro, and I would have feel dumb as fuck. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna lock myself out. Cause like I always tell myself, I'm really not in a hurry. Like sure, I would love to get a funded account for next week, but I'm really not in a hurry. I don't want to give myself time limits, man. Cause that's where you crumble. So you're giving yourself so much pressure and shit. But yeah, pretty much, man. So I'm about to end this shit real soon. This is the same shit. It's the same shit here. Another entry would be the same entry. Once price runs that shit again. Actually, if it does that again, it's even better now. Because this is your second drive here for this leg. Actually, never mind. It's not anymore. Actually, yes, it is. It is. It still is. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. What the fuck was that? Like the SMT, this order block here. It's a little gem here. If the SMT, an order block, that's really good. That's all I can say. See, it is a valid trade here. No, I'm actually going to move my stop. I know, but I need them to close above that again, though. Let's see, 30-second here. Yeah, I need them to close above that shit. As long as they close above it, it should be good, okay? Should be good. Especially if we get a change in the state here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We should be good here. We got a slight SMT with a high here. It really shouldn't matter. Not yet, actually, they didn't take it out yet. I'm sure whoever's watching knows what the fuck I'm talking about, so I don't need to point it out. I gotta stop cussing, man. I'm trying to get monetized. Okay, yeah, that's perfect right there. Ah, come on. As long as we get a healthy bullish candle here, man, we should be good. I hate keep saying that shit, but that's just how it is. Like oh oh oh, it might SMT this shit. Hold up. Because the protected stop is the low, the SMT low. I just put it here because I was expecting price just run. I guess not. This is a manipulation candle. She has no wick. We're clearly bullish. They're making candles that has no wick. This is manipulation. So you don't want to get manipulated here. I need this shit to close above the body. Yep, just like that. Just like that. Perfect. That's exactly what we're looking for. This is what I mean about above the body. This right here. It's either this candle or our next candle is gonna give us that change in state. I just want to see it give me a change in state. I'm cut the live. Pretty much what I'm saying is I need to see it close above here, and then I'm gonna go. Because once we get that, we should be able to run these highs. Bare minimum this high up here. Then overall, obviously that high. And it's not looking good so far. Mm, mm-mm. Mm-mm. Okay. As long as you just keep wicking that shit, man. Because if we close below this again, there's a chance we might take this out or even this. But if you're truly gonna run these highs, this should be as far as we go. Yeah, we are well below discount at this point. Come on, bro. Give me that change in state so I can go. See, I'm so glad I took off my trade there, so I would have to, because I would have to sit through this shit right here. I do not want to do that shit on a Friday, bro. There you go. This candle closes healthy, right? And then another fucking candle slams it down. Yeah, probably just walk away. Cause this just tells you that it's shit. It's gonna be a shitty rest of the session. The session just started, bro. It's only been fucking 20. I gotta stop cussing for real. It's only been 26 minutes since the session started. Yeah, I don't know. This probably gonna be a trash session for the rest of it. So we keep getting nicely okay bullish candle, and then immediately just get slammed down, man. It's not a good look. Yeah, I think I'm gonna cut it off from here, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I think that's it for me, man. See you guys in the next one. Oof, yeah, we might get stopped out here.